Although no dredging vessel has been reported today at Scarborough Shoal or Bajo de Masinloc, amidst the government's ongoing verification of the alleged new structure there, the Philippine Navy's monitoring shows more than 30 Chinese vessels in the area. Patrick De Jesus has the full report.
This is commercial satellite imagery taken on May 28 over Scarborough Shoal, also known as Bajo de Masinloc. The image shows what appears to be a structure or object located on the southern portion of the reef. Based on the assessment of the Maritime Security think tank that released the satellite imagery, the object is estimated to be less than 10 meters in diameter and is positioned near the entrance of Bajo de Masinloc, where China has previously installed floating barriers to block the entry of vessels. However, it remains unclear whether the object is a fixed structure, a marker, a buoy, or a monitoring instrument. The Armed Forces of the Philippines did not confirm whether this is the same object referred to in the raw information previously mentioned by Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. According to the AFP, no dredging vessels have been reported in Bajo de Masinloc at present, as verification efforts continue regarding the possible new structure.
We get a lot of reports on the maritime domain to include even what's happening on land when it comes to defense and security of the country. All these reports are subjected to a stringent validating process.
This is not the first time a suspected structure has been spotted in Bajo de Masinloc, one of the areas claimed by China in the West Philippine Sea, in which Beijing has also declared a nature reserve. During a maritime domain awareness flight conducted by the Philippine Coast Guard in October last year with PTV News on board, what appeared to be wooden posts standing on the reef were observed. The AFP later confirmed that the structures had been built by the military and were installed in the 1990s as foundations for a planned Philippine monitoring station in the area. Since last year, buoys installed by China have also been observed both inside and outside the lagoon of Scarborough Shoal. In the latest monitoring conducted by the Philippine Navy, 20 China Coast Guard vessels were monitored in Scarborough Shoal, along with 7 vessels from the People's Liberation Army Navy.
Rest assured that we have the appropriate strategy anchored on the CADC to ensure the security and protection of our maritime domain.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.